Without doubt, one of the best opportunities that is currently available to creatives online is the designing and selling of t-shirts through Merch by Amazon. Now, the good news is you do not necessarily have to be a graphic designer to take advantage of this incredible opportunity. In fact, more often than not, it is the simple, well-researched t-shirt designs that are selling best on the platform. Simple designs such as text-based designs, which work particularly well whatever niche you are targeting. Hello, my name is David James Alt, and I'm really excited to introduce you to this new class, which is called How to Create a Text-Based T-Shirt Design for Sale on Merch by Amazon. The class begins by explaining exactly why you should be creating text-based t-shirt designs for merch, and then continues by taking a look at basic typography and where you can source the fonts that you will use on your t-shirt designs. The class then goes on to show you how you can easily identify fonts that you like the look of. Finally, the class looks at creating some text-based designs. Firstly, the creation of a simple design from within an iOS app called Over, and then secondly, a more complex text design from within a professional vector type application called Affinity Designer. So why not join me in this class today and discover how easy it is for us non-designers to create perhaps the most successful of all of the types of t-shirt designs that sell well, and make a great new side income through Merch by Amazon.